Hello and welcome back to another episode of the DIYguy.net. Alright, today we got a Toyota Sienna, and as you can see right here, the grommet for the antenna has broken in half. The top part here that mounts to the fender to give it that clean look has broken off, and the lower part is still attached onto the antenna there. So we're going to go ahead and replace that today. Alright, so we'll go ahead and show you the OEM part number, which is going to be an 86392-08020. So we're going to go ahead and pop the hood. We're going to reach in through the inside of the fender here and cut and remove the lower part of the rubber. So a couple of helpful points. You're going to want to run your hot water, get a bowl or something that this will fit in, get the tap water as hot as you can get it. Go ahead and throw this rubber grommet inside it. Let it sit in there for a couple minutes. It'll just make it more pliable. That's especially helpful if you get one that's an aftermarket one. It's not as bendable as the OEM one. So it'll be nice and warm and a little bit, like I said, bendable and pliable for you. You may want some soapy water to go ahead and spritz it up and kind of lube it up so you can go ahead and push it in there and get it to seat properly. There is a little lip here, kind of hard to see right there, that needs to go around the fender. So the fender's got to be in between this big piece and the little piece here. There's a little groove where it'll sit on that fender. So it's helpful to have it nice and warm and pliable, and also that soapy water and a microfiber to clean it up. So like I said, we need to pop the hood, grab a utility knife, we'll cut the lower part that's still in there on the antenna off, remove the antenna, and get ready to install the new one. Alright, so we got the hood open. You go right here to the windshield wiper cowl and look in right there, and you will see the antenna and also the rubber we need to remove. So we'll just grab a utility knife, cut that off, and then we go ahead and remove the antenna and get ready to install the new one. Alright, so now that we got the lower part removed, we can go ahead and unthread our antenna. You may need a pair of pliers, but usually they're not on there that tight, so you can get it off with your hand. We'll set that aside for a minute. We'll go ahead and grab our soapy water, spray this down and the fender, and go ahead and slide that in position. Now push straight down, align our hole so that our antenna will thread back in there, and then we'll go ahead and just work the top half here and get it to sit around the fender. Just like that. So as you can see, we have no gap on either of the sides, so it's in there where it should be, aligned with the fender. So the next thing we're going to do is grab the antenna and reinstall that. Next we'll go ahead and grab our microfiber. We're just going to wipe down the excess soapy water that we put on the side here. We cut anything that went lower than here with the microfiber already, so we'll just dry this part off. So now that we're done wiping up the excess soapy water we had to install the grommet, that is it. We just had to install a radio antenna grommet on a Toyota Sienna. Don't forget to click the link in the description, which will take you to our website for a full write-up. You can also click that subscribe button you place in the middle for you. On the right, you'll find a recommended video just for you, and on the left side, you'll see our recent upload. Thanks for watching another episode of the DIYguy.net.